Welcome to the Riverview Eagle Native Plant Nature Trail. Enjoy your walk as you explore the nature trail and 5 of our ecosystems.
Our first ecosystem is the sloping upland forest, characterized by an overstory, in Riverview's case the concrete overhang. Enjoy the coontie and ferns, as well as the newly sprouting palmettos and cedar trees. The second is the littoral shelf and pond ecosystem where, when standing on the overlook platform, you can view the bald cypress trees and observe the diverse variety of birds while overlooking both the pond and beautiful Philippi Creek. As you approach the back of the school, the muhly grass, beautifully pink in bloom, will lead you to the third ecosystem, the pine flatwoods, with its coral honeysuckle vine, sleepy hibiscus, palmettos, and pine trees. Fourth, enjoy the hammocks with its graceful moss-filled oak trees and cassia, beautyberry, and wild coffee bushes. And finally, the riparian habitat ecosystem at the dock and shoreline, with its fakahachi grasses, tall yellow goldenrod, and red, black, and white mangroves. And if you're really lucky, you might see a manatee and her baby foraging at the shoreline, or even our resident pair of eagles flying to their nests to feed their chicks.